I'm Leonid. Welcome to Full Stack Magic. On this channel, you'll watch me develop various web applications from scratch using Ruby on Rails. And our very first application will be service that will help you track and grow your career. Why this service? Well, for personal reasons. Right now, I'm between jobs. So in this state, the first thing that came to my mind is to build a job application tracker. Yeah, I already know that there are existing services like that, even free one. Some of them good, some of them not that good. Why build your own? Well, first, that's practice. It's a good project to showcase because it can have like various complexity on backend and front end as well. For example, if we decide to make it like in Trello style, there will be a lot of JavaScript action going on to make this work nice and convenient. The other reason is that I would like to integrate OpenAI some way in this project as well, but this will be down the road. So the very core two features that we will have is job application tracking and projects. Why do we need projects? Actually, let's start building our mind map, because in this first episode, it's an introduction episode, and I won't be coding here. We just do a mind map so we know how to move forward and don't lose our way. The project code name is BeBePe, which stands for Be Better Peer or Person. You can say it as you like. Let's start. And I will discuss it as I build it. Well, first of all, our project will have users, of course, and users will be able to track job applications, right? Job applications. Also, users will be able to track their skills, so you can see what skills you have, what you don't have. It will be also very convenient to add skills to existing projects for simplicity. And projects. I guess that's kind of the main features that we will be having. And job applications. When you apply to a lot of jobs, I noticed it's kind of hard to track where is what. So you go to different sites, you apply to different online forms, and it can get messy pretty fast if you manage it somewhere like else. I tried to do it at Notion. It was not that convenient for me, unfortunately. Okay, so job applications will have company name, URL of the job posting, what else? Description, I guess. I think I will make it for sure because it's convenient. So you can easily add the new job applications simply by adding URL to the site, and we will scrape all the information from their description and the rest. Maybe even using OpenAI API, but that's down the road, not right away. So company URL, description, what else do we need? Salary range. Company salary range, I guess, and our salary range. So why two ranges? Sometimes company provides salary range, sometimes not. Sometimes we might name our own salary range, sometimes we don't. For easier tracking, what company told us and what we told to company, I think it makes sense to separate these values. Probably. Company URL description, salary range, obviously stage, at what stage our application is. We applied, we get rejected, we rejected ourselves. We get reply, something like this. We get test assignment. Um, Stage, yeah. Also, sometimes you fill out online forms and there are random questions there to fill out. I think it will be good idea to store this question for future reference. So questions and answers. What else do we need? Company URL description, company salary range, stage, questions and answers. Oh, of course, position. Position we are applying to. Yeah, and timestamps for everything, for every change. I think that will be enough for starters. Next, let's talk about projects. So, what's the idea with projects? Uh, Projects here I envision to have two, I guess, goals. First one is I find it very useful to write down any kind of achievement you are doing on your current job or in your current project, whatever that is. Because previously, some time ago, I did not do this, and I don't know how. Maybe it's my personal issue or what, but if I switch jobs and get asked, okay, what like your biggest achievement or your biggest mistake or something like that, usually I have nothing to say, especially about achievements, because I just simply don't see my work as a series of achievements, which is might be weird, I don't know, but for me it's like simply job. So I get a task, I do the task. Is it achievement? No, I just did my job. But it might be useful for future reference to have this kind of list of your accomplishments that you can look back to and craft something for your new employer. And the other reason we need projects is we will, as I said, add the OpenAI down the road to this service. And one of the reasons we need projects is that we can have OpenAI craft very tailored, very nice cover letters, for example, using informations from all the project we worked on. So it can look at all the project and achievements we have, our skills, uh, compare it with the job posting description, and craft pretty nice cover letter for us, and maybe even adjust our resume or CV uh, down the road. But I don't really want to go into this uh, sphere. Okay, so project will have obviously name, I guess start date, I guess end date, maybe URL, maybe. I think it should have, yeah, URL. I don't want to make this service strictly for developers or designer or IT people. I would like to make this service so that it's available and useful for people of any profession, really. So uh, we will be doing some adjustment down the road to accommodate everybody and not tailor it to just IT. But I leave URL for now. So URL, I guess description, uh, achievements. Here we will be able to track achievements and images, screenshots. Why it might be a good idea to have images or screenshots for even if you are not designer or let's say developer, especially front-end developer, for example. I also noticed some job postings or online forum ask you to showcase your front-end work. And when you not on the project anymore and it was a long time ago, but you're really proud of what you did, it might maybe pretty hard to showcase this if you don't have screenshots, because since then project might be closed, changed, and it's already not your work really. So it's a good idea to have like store screenshots of your work for future reference. um, Name, start date, end date, URL, description, achievements, images. What else? Yeah, obviously you can add skills to your projects, but it will be hard to showcase in mindmap. um, I think that's all for the start. Leave your comment if you have other ideas. I'm always open to ideas. That why I'm doing it publicly, because I'd like to collaborate with people and create the best for as many different backgrounds as possible. That will be cool. Yeah, this episode, I guess, is we will stop here. I won't be coding in this one, but I'll start coding in the very next one. So please subscribe, click the bell notification so you don't miss the next episode. Yeah, I will leave link to the current GitHub repository in the description below. At the end of each video, I will leave a tag in the repository so it can be easy to compare difference what was done between episodes for someone who wants to do it. Also nice to track progress this way, I think. And yeah, that's it. Very first video on my very first YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next episode. Bye.